Harari's illegal elite have launched a fierce counter-attack against outspoken social media commentator Rizin Oforova, demanding immediate retractions and public apologies over explosive allegations of a shadowy $20 million Matabeleland cabal. Talabna Mashkumdai Vachin's legal storm erupts. Top lawyers demand retractions over 20 million cabal claims. You will subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina bold truth on Dutch poster Murukona ana Tawana Mpofu. Umdaki and Rabera Chiti. In a strongly worded letter, leading law firms have dismissed the claims as reckless and defamatory. DMH Legal, representing senior partner Kenan Due, slapped the accusations as false, malicious, and grossly defamatory, warning of serious consequences if they are not withdrawn. The pressure intensified on April 2, 2026, when Mutetwa and Nyambirai, acting for prominent advocate Tavani Mpofu, issued a second legal warning. The firm condemned the allegations as baseless and damaging, arguing they falsely painted Mpofu as a corrupt figure willing to undermine Zimbabwe's constitution for personal gain. The unfolding legal showdown signals a high-stakes battle between Zimbabwe's legal heavyweights and online commentary, with the reputations and possibly lawsuits on the line. Toma developments arikuda panguva ino itiona kuti aiwa matop players opindira vanhau iye achidemanda retractions over the 20 million our cabal claims. Kuda kuma section medu moudza mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi nyika yeZimbabwe ingori chaos yoga yoga. Kuda kuma section medu musana subscribe or like chit on the bell icon.